Nakita niyo ho ba pagdating ng mga sinasabi ho nating SONA, State of the Nation Address? You see these pretty ladies that never was and never will be with their matronic perfume so stinky and their big fat belly and they want to look like sexy and all the girdles all around the waist. And then they want to look so sexy with their gowns and then all the designer gowns all over. And then, who cares about your gown? What we care is what you do as a congressman. Is that what you wear is not important to us. Because inside that gown, I know exactly, ay nako, may fishbowl ba dyan? Kumain ka na ba ng barbecue? Kasi kung minsan kumain ako ng fishbowl dyan sa baba namin. I eat fishbowl and masyado mantika. Galing parang taba eh. Taba ng baboy at yung pambantika. So, stop wearing na mga kung ano-anong palang mala Oscar Award. You are not in the business. You are not in showbiz. You are not in modeling. You are legislature. Sabi ni Digong, business attire lang. Barong lang. Yung mga babae, lalo-lalo na pasikat kayo, come on. You wanna be a Hollywood star? Dream on. TH, trying hard. You think that you will be so famous with your gown. Who cares about your gown? You fashion this, you fashion conscious, sabihin na ho natin, that never was, it never will be. You will never be discovered. Believe me.